Welcome, my name is Muhammad Yaseen and you are watching Sroya Herbal channel. In this video, you will know about tumor of kidney, also known kidney cancer. Large tumor are rarely seen in the kidney, but small fibroma of the lip is common. It is usually small in size. In terms of structure, it is similar to a normal tumor of erosion or an angoma is seen under the lining of the cistern. Hypernephroma is common in the offspring of men with hereditary kidney disease. Hypernephroma is more likely to be called cancer. Generally, there are watery cells inside its tissue. They are laden with cholesterol and fat. These malignant cells are cuboidal or vertical and have a tendency to affect nearby lymph node. Is more common. Cancerous cells of the vitreous are usually large in size due to their structure. A large mass can also form. This type of tumor can develop in any part of the kidney. If it is cut and seen, there are large, dull, velvish parts inside it or and superficially resemble the clavicle. These unglazed areas are interspersed between the zygote and a large number of lenticels, and also contain large fibrous bands and fibrous patches. These fibrous bands and patches appear silently muscoid or semi-transparent. These tumors usually occur in the branches of the two clavicles. It can create and obstructions in the vessels. These tumors also rupture in the renal pelvis. Can be its main symptom is a tumor. Inside this type of tumor, there are small area like grapes, which can be observed with a microscope. Inside these small area are long cylindrical cells. The lining of the skin is mucosa. Within these cells, usually the throat, which is the first large number of cells to be observed, and between the recesses there is a basic structure consisting of connective tissue. The basic structure is like mushroom. Yes, some part of the tumor have a solid layer of mucosa. When the kidney vessels are affected, the condition worsens. In the beginning of disease, the fluid spore is discharged with the urine. The urine is blackish white. Constipation persists. Confusion and heaviness is felt. At the affected kidney site, the back pain remains. The energy becomes inviolate. There are other symptoms in women. Always have back pain and the desire of sexual intercourse ceases. The leg aches. Blood pressure low. The slumber and laziness remain. The pulse is weak, impure, dirty, and sad runs during the treatment. If it is quick, thin, and warm to the touch, then health is restored. The condition is irritable and sad, and the color is also dark. And their treatment is very easy. Use honey, mix in 2 spoons of water. Use food for this patient. Cortical nerve food include lentil, turnip, first peanuts, small nuts, and salted oatmeal, mango pickle, barley, black pepper, mango jam, orange jam, white cumin coffee, cumin tea, camel milk, olive oil and melons and white turnip, carrot, sweet milk, guava, carrot jam and sweet pomegranate. There are diet for this patient. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe my YouTube channel.